Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Savana customer service. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm over at the website at savana.com, and if we scroll down, we can tell that there's no real footer on this. It's just the infinite scroll. If we click onto the three horizontal lines, it's not going to give us an option to contact support or anything like that. So the best way to contact their support is go to a website called pissconsumer.com. So that's it here, so pissconsumer.com, and this website's great for finding hard to reach websites or hard to reach website customer support. So go ahead and click in the Piss Consumer. Once you're on the website, you want to do a search, so go ahead and click on the magnifying glass and then type in Savana. Here it is here under company, so click into Savana. Then from here, we want to go ahead and scroll down. We can see that there are rated reviews here as well. So if we scroll down and then click onto where it says contacts, an ad might appear, just click out of the ad, scroll down again, and here we go. So they've got a phone number and email. So we can go ahead and click on the call customer service button, or we can send a message, and they've got a legal number here as well. If we keep scrolling down, we've got more customer service legal emails.